Welcome to Toshek channel. I'm Mike. Today we are going to make this guitar toy. This guitar toy sounds like this. So sounds can change. It's really fun and play with your favorite music. Let's make it. Okay, so let's check the parts for guitar toy. So this one is the plate, guitar body case plate. 3 pieces of this, same one, and one of this is different. Please check. You have this one and this one, 3 pieces, and then this one, body, front plate of case, and this one, there is nothing. This one is back side of the case. Then this one is a guitar neck, okay, 1 piece, and this one guitar head, and you get the 4 pins and 4 small sticks. Then you got the rubber band, 2 type, okay. So let's start assembling. And firstly, please prepare this neck part and head plate, okay. And this neck part has round side, and this is not round side, okay. And this one flat side, okay. And prepare the glue. Put the head part like I, right? And then stick on the top of the neck like this. This one just be flat, and this side will in the middle, okay. Then you can see this hole, right? Put the glue into the hole. Then this small pin, put into the head. This. Okay, then wait for dry this one. And next parts, prepare this back plate. Firstly prepare this one and put the glue this side, okay, and assembling on the top of the plate. This plate has, this side is shorter and this side will be longer, so please put the shorter side of the plate and push here, okay. And next one, I will assembling here like this. So the side of the plate, please put the glue, and bottom side as well. Bottom side also put the glue like this, and other side put the glue as well. Then stick on the board carefully, and one more part, do the same. Okay. Okay, and then last plate, put glue, then assembly together. Okay, and this one leave it and this plate. So front plate also has a hole. Put the glue. Then pin here. And okay, so will be like this. Okay. Then we need to start assembling, but please carefully assembling because those parts is not dry yet. So after you check this one is dry, you can start assembling this neck and body parts here. Glue here, and this one put like this. Okay, so this is not stable. And one more, this one glue round it everywhere, and cover by front plate like this. And this one is not dry yet, so please tie with rubber, big rubber, like this, to make big box strong. Maybe you need your parents' help. Something like this. Okay. And this one. And almost finished, but don't forget these parts, these small sticks. I will put this one on the neck, like here, so around 4 centimeters from the top. Put the glue line, then place on it. And glue it. Place on it. Okay. And then while you are waiting for drying all parts, you can paint.
A few moments later.
Okay, and then after everything is dry, you make sure everything is dry. Maybe around 30 minutes to 1 hour to get dry. After dried, I will give you this rubber band. So please tie next here, and one more. 2 lines like this, and now you can play your guitar toy. And if you push here, sound will be changed. So let's enjoy your guitar toy with your favorite music. Bye.